If you guys are ready to start making money with SEO, make sure to continue watching this video. Now, welcome to Casey's SEO, and we're going to talk about how much money you can make as a freelancer by doing SEO. But first, please make sure to hit that subscribe and like button if you want more SEO tips. And if you have any questions, please send me an email. I will personally help you out. Now, let's get back to the video, and I'm going to explain to you guys how much money you can make by doing SEO. Generally speaking, if you live in the USA, right now you should be charging a minimum of $100 an hour if you know what you're doing. Now, I say if you know what you're doing because it honestly depends on your skill level and what company you are working with for the amount of money that you guys can make. So if you're just starting out and you know all the basics, you know how to run an SEO audit, you know everything, but you just feel that you're not quite there yet, then I suggest you charge a little bit less just to get some more practice until you feel more proficient with your SEO skills. Now, how much less am I talking about? I honestly think you can still be getting $30 to $50 an hour as a freelancer. Right now, agencies are charging anywhere from $100 to $200 to $300 an hour. And if you have the experience of somebody that works at an agency, there's honestly no reason why you guys can't be charging a very similar rate to an agency in your area. Now it all comes down to where you can find your clients that will be willing to pay that kind of money. And in my next video, I'm going to tell you guys where you can find some of these clients, but it's not going to be as easy as everyone thinks it is. So how much can you make as a freelancer? I would be charging between $50 and $150 an hour. It all just depends on the project, how many hours that client's going to be paying for, and the complexity of that project. If the project is really simple and you don't need to put that much time in it, then you could charge, let's say, 5 to 10 hours a month, and that could be anywhere from $500 to $1,500 for that SEO plan. Now, if it's a project that you don't want to work on, but you can increase your price to try to push that client away, then I suggest charging more. So maybe you want to charge $150, $200 an hour. And if that client still really wants to pay that, either because they know who you are or they know what you can do, then maybe you end up taking it just to make that extra amount of money and kind of deal with the headache that you know that project might bring. But in the end, it's really up to you and how much you want to charge. Maybe you just want some extra work and you don't feel that you need to charge $150 an hour. Maybe you're okay with charging $30 an hour. And that is really fine, because in the long run, it's up to you and it's your time and it's your money. But just remember, if you've put in the time, you have the years of experience, you know what you're doing, and you can market yourself, then you can charge a little bit more than somebody that's just starting out trying to find any client that will pay them anything so they can put some more money in their pocket and to gain experience. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. And if you guys have any questions or comments, please let me know. And if you need to send me an email because you need some help, I would love to help you guys out. So make sure to send me those emails.